Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. We just wait for one more minute. Okay, Sophia is in. Who is not in? Assalamualaikum everyone. Let me see. Zahira. Shafika, why don't you contact Zahira? Come. Hey, we're gonna start in 1 minute's time. Let me just. Zahira say okay, but she's not here. Okay. Assalamualaikum everyone. Come turn on your videos. Come. We're gonna start now. Boys and girls, please turn on your videos. We are starting now. Oh, you haven't taken the test. Then you tell your mother it's not so bad. Apa yang not so bad?
Oh no, that was just
Your practice.
that was like practice.
Okay. Okay, boys and girls, come turn on your video. Turn on the video. We are starting now. Come, we are starting now. Now remember, whatever that we have done for algebra, I think that's the maximum you're gonna go to. No? It's not gonna get tougher than that. So what we're gonna do now is actually revision of P6 topics. Wow. Congratulations. So we're going to do P6 topics. Shafika, turn on the video. Ilhan, come, turn on the video. Zahira, turn on your video. Zahira also wants to go to the sky. Okay, come, we start with this one. Huh? Simple stuff. We're going to do question. You can use your calculator, okay? Question 1A and 1B. Huh? Can send to the chat. Huh? Okay, well done. Who is it? Let's see, yeah. Okay, good. Sophia for first one. Well done. What about the rest? Come, send your answer. Question 1A and 1B. Come on. Shafika, where are you, Shafika? I have to contact Shafia to spy on you. Come, turn on your video, Shafika. You see, your cousin is an air stewardess in the skies. Which airline are you with, Zahira? I am with Singapore Airlines. Now they allow the tudung. Well, congratulations. They allow tudung in the Singapore Airlines now. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
No lah. See, my wife thinks it's real. All right, well done, Sophia. Sophia is the only one who's doing, I think. So let me just revise. I do not know. Maybe you all forgot already. So now, remember, you have to remember you're in Sec 1 now, no? I'm teaching students, even in Secondary 2, Sec 3. Some of them cannot remember percentage at Primary 5 and 6. So I want you to remember, if you see the percentage sign, you must remember you can see the number 100. And you can see one number over another number. Percentage is a fraction with a base of 100. That's what it means. So if you have 40%, like what the question is saying, it is 40 over 100. Then you divide by 10, divide by 10. Can divide somehow by 2. Can divide by 2. You get 2/5. As Ustazah Sophia has shown us. Okay, but of course she didn't show you all. The next one, 105%. This is the same as 105 over 100. Can both divide by 5. You get 2021. So 1 over 20. All right, I hope you all are okay. Let us see. We move on to the next one, okay? By the way, I'm very sorry about today. We had to change the timing. I will explain to you why later, because this has something to do with all of you. All of you are Malays, right? Of course, some of you may say, no, I'm not Malay, I'm an Arab. Well, you are Malay-nice Arab if you are in Singapore, just like I'm a Malay-nice Indian. Never had my Indian culture. It's just those of you who are partly Indian and whatnot, you're also Malay-nice. So I will explain to you later. Can you try question number 2A and 2B? And while I check that thing. Okay, well done. Wow, how do you do that, Rahana? You must teach me how to do that fraction. Is it on the phone or what? iPhone can do it. I will take a course from you one of the days. Okay, you run a course for me. Now they want you to express it as a decimal. So you notice percentage, fraction, decimal are siblings. Just like, well, like Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. Actually, it all comes with this relation. So, of course, some people say, no, it's different religion. Well, okay. Sorry. Well done, Sophia. Oh, Sophia, already, yeah? This is a different Sophia. Hayan, come on, Hayan. Do you have ice cream on your waffles? Is there ice cream? No. Just waffle there. Okay, Shafika, well done. Next one, Sophia, well done. Sophia, can you try C and D? Those who finish, you try C and D also. Let us see how you do. Oh, sorry, C and D, yeah. Those who finish. Ilhan can do, no, Ilhan? Oh, Ilhan, well done. Yes, I didn't see your answer. Correct, well done. Okay. What about, okay, there's some coming by phone, huh? Okay, no problem. Okay. Oh, this is Sophia. The second one is not. It's not 0.29. No, it's not 0.29. Remember, just divide by 100 only. Just divide by 100. Okay, well done, Sophia, for the next one. Just divide this by 100. Remember, this is a fraction with a base of 100. Just put it like that. Rahna, can see now? Yeah, correct. Well done, yes. But you can remove the 0.0 because you remove the 0 here. Divide by 10, 2.9. Heian, which one you don't know? Heian down here is a decimal only, Heian. No fraction. That's the earlier question. Earlier question, they asked you for fraction. Ilhan, congratulations, Ilhan. Sophia, congratulations also. Well done, huh? This is like a different Sophia. I am a different Sophia. I'm somebody else. Alamak, don't scare me lah. Okay. The next one, 0.86. 0.86. Zahira, are you okay now, Zahira? I am busy serving the customers in the plane. Okay, Heian, correct for the next one. But down here, so Zahira, I do not know whether you are okay. I don't see your name here. I don't know how to do the last one. Okay, we do together. Like this. This one 86, Zahira, divide by 100. Like that, lah. You say, I don't know how to do like that lah. Okay, don't need to decimal. You don't need to change your fraction. What do? You write it like that lah. 86 divided by 100. Remember, you divide, you shift the decimal place from where? From here. Shift 1, shift 2. Put the dot here. 0.86. Okay. Get it, Zahira? Easy, yeah? Same thing now here. 290 divide by 100. Okay, you divide by 100. You cancel 10, cancel 10. Then I got one more 0. Okay, shift put the dot here. 2.9. Can you see not, Rahana? I don't need to have the 0 because I already cancel. In fact, it doesn't matter, Rahana. If you put 2.9, let's say 0, 0, 0, 0, is still the same. Okay, but why is it we put 2.90? Normally, if this is for money, $2.90. Because that decimal we need for change of dollars and cents. But when it's not dealing money, you can just remove this. All right. Let me see now. This one, 14.3, same thing. Okay, those of you who don't get it, 14.3, you divide by 100. You shift 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. Shift, why 2 decimal? There's 1, 2. So shift 1, shift 2, put a dot here, 0.143. Then what about this one? You got to change this to something that, okay, you times by 2, times by 2. What do you get? 7, 2 over 10. What is 2 over 10? 2 over 10 is 0.2 lah. You say, I don't believe. Okay, 2 divided by 10. You see? 2 divided by 10, what do you get? You shift decimal place, right? 1, 0.2. So 7, 2 of 10 is 7.2 lah. So 7.2. Now you got to divide by 100. Like that. So what do you get? Shift 1, shift 2. Shift 1. What happened to my pen? Shift 1, shift 2. Put a dot here. Okay, 0.072. I do not know whether you can get it, but I'm going to show you again. Those of you who don't get it, you must get it, okay? All right, now you must try your best to get it. So 715, I times this by 2, times this by 2. What do I get? 7 to 10. Now 2 over 10, when we change it to a decimal, is 2 tenths, you know. How to change your decimal? 2 divided by 10. 2 divided by 10, you shift 1 dot, why? Because 1 0. It becomes 0.2. So 7 to 10 is 7.2. Now 7.2%, if you want to change it now to decimal, you must 7.2 divided by 100. So you shift 1 decimal, shift 2 decimal. 1, 2. Put a dot here. Put the 8 inside here. 0.072. I hope you're okay. I hope you guys are okay. Anyone is not okay, please, can you just send me a message, say I'm not okay. But don't say I'm not okay because I didn't get enough hari raya money. That's something else, okay? We're not talking about that, okay? We're talking about this, okay?
The working again.
I'll show you the working. Okay, we'll give you, while we are going through the working, we'll give a few more questions to the rest. Okay, the rest, you all try to do this one. Change it to decimal. Okay, Shafika, now down here, times by 2, times by 2. Why times by 2? Okay, 7 to 10. Why I want 10? I can change to decimal. See, 2 over 10 is the same as 0.2. This one you understand? 2 over 10 same. So 7 2 over 10 is 7.2 lah. And this one is percent, right? So it's percent. Percent means you must divide by 100. So you divide by 100 lah, because it's percent, right? Okay, now 1 0 2 zeros. 1 2, put a dot here. Then down here put a 0 lah. Down here put a 0. 0.072. Are you okay, Shafika? Am I going too fast not? Zahira, are you okay, Zahira? Yes, okay. All right, come. Can you try this one? What's your answer for this one now? In percent, change it to decimal. Okay, well done, Hian. Congratulations. Anyone over here? This one is percent, huh? So if I ask you now, this one I want you to change the percent. See whether you can do it. This one percent change to decimal. This one fraction change to percentage. You know how to do it? Different, this one. This one is from percentage to decimal. This one fraction to percentage. Who is this? Zahira entering. Okay, let us see. Congratulations, Hayan. Well done for this one. Okay, here we go. Anyone got an answer? No one sent any answer. Oh, yeah. Okay, you're okay. Sophia, correct. Shafika, correct. Ilhan, so sorry. Okay, so now how to do? This one, how to do? Watch. First of all, we change it to 10 times 2 times 2. So you get 8, 4 over 10 percent. This one is already in percent. 4 over 10 is 0.4. 8, 4 over 10 is 8.4. 8.4%. You want to change decimal. Percent means divide by 100. Percent means this one is over 100. This is the same thing. Okay, if you're confused, I'm going to show you again. If you have 2%, this is the same as 2 over 100. So you have 8.4% is the same as 8.4 over 100. Now what does this mean over by 100? It means divide by 100 lah, 8.4 divide by 100 lah. 1020, shift 1 place, shift 2 place, tot. Okay, the sound effect here, tot. And then 0.084. Anyone? I'll ask you one by one. Sophia, no problem. Ilhan, okay? Rahana, you're scratching your head. Means normally people scratch your head. Either they're thinking, don't know. Zahira, are you okay? What happened to you? You're from the sky, come down to earth. Allahu Akbar. Oh. Okay, so you try this one now. Fraction to percentage, different. Remember, I just want to give you a clue. Remember, one whole is how much? One whole is 100%, you know. One whole is 100%. This is 8 whole 2/5. How to do? How to get 100% times by 100? Do the same thing here, times by 100, you get the answer. Anyone got answer? Sophia, no. Cik Bia, sorry, this is wrong. 8.4% very small lah. This is 8 whole, no. One whole is 100%. One whole is 100%. So how to do this one? Remember, from fraction or from decimal, you want to change to percentage, you times by 100. You must times by 100. See, people are confused. Do not know. Times by 100, divide 100. So, okay, you copy these formulas down. Okay, percentage change to fraction or decimal. What do? You divide by 100. Formula number 1. Percentage, you want to change to fraction or decimal, you must divide by 100. Then the other way, fraction or decimal, you want to change to percentage, you must times by 100. That's all you need to remember. Two formula je. I repeat. Percentage, you want to change to fraction or decimal, you divide by 100. Why divide? They show you divide, sir. This over this one. Now, fraction and decimal, you want to change to percentage, you must times by 100. You see this one? This is a mixed number. Mixed number is a type of fraction. You want to change to percentage, you have to times by 100. Okay, times by 100. See how to do this, I don't know how to do. Okay, I break it up for you. 8 times 100, 800. Okay. Then 2 times 100, 200. Okay, good, over 5. I'm showing you an interesting way of doing it. So 200 divided by 5, you can divide by 5, get 5. 20 divided by 5, get 4. 40, you see? 40, 840%. We will go through again. If you're confused, it means at primary 5, primary 6, you're a little bit confused. It's okay. Because many students go to Sec 1, Sec 2, their primary school work is like that, and so we have to clean it up. Okay? And some might be from primary 4 or primary 3. So remember now, they want you to change to percentage. Means what? You are going to change percentage, you must times by 100. Remember, I show you again the formula. If you want to change to percentage, you must times by 100. You want change from percentage to fraction decimal, divide by 100. Remember that. Remember that. Remember, it's quite easy. Yeah? Can we please do A and C? You can use your calculator. Very simple. Very simple. Hey, stop treating us like children. Sorry. I thought you are in primary school. You are teenagers now, no? Okay, okay. All right, well done, Ahen, for A. Ahen, once you finish, you try to do D line. See how they. Okay, well done, Ahen. Can you do B and D also, Ahen? Congratulations, Husna Shafika. Your earlier one also was correct. Ilhan, we want to change it to percentage, Ilhan. Just times by 100. Not 0.055. You just times by 100, Sophia. Times by 100. Don't be confused. Don't be confused. 0.055 is very small. Zahira, well done. Okay, come on. Guys, just remember the formula. You forgot the formula. Remember the formula. You want to change to percentage times by 100. Just times by 100. Say, I don't know how to do it. Okay, correct, Sophia. Okay, come on. You just put inside your calculator. Times by 100. Okay, well done, Shafika. And let me see, Rahana. Okay, good, Rahana. Both correct. Here, well done for D. So down here, anyone who's blur, let's say now, you ask yourself, Sophia, correct? What do you need to do? You want to change to percentage. Just times by 100. Just put inside a calculator, times by 100. Okay, just put 11 divide by 20 times 100. You will get the answer. You don't have, I'll show you now the answer. Okay, divide by 2, divide by 2. So you get 55%. 55%. You must write the percent sign, please. If you don't write percent sign, it's wrong. Okay, you must write percentage sign, but for the answers you are giving me, I assume that you all understand this percentage sign. Okay, let me just check the answers down here. Okay. Ilhan, well done. Zahira, okay, good. So more or less you already get it. Okay, this one down here, same thing. You can put this mixed number. You all know how to do it in your calculator, right? Just put times by 100. Yeah, just times by 100. Then your answer is 675, but you must remember to put the percent. If you do not put the percent, it's wrong. Okay, but right, it's wrong. Okay, we'll move on. Okay, this is basic stuff, basic stuff. Okay, now, they want you to change from decimal to percentage. Now, what to do? Look at the formula again. You want to say from fraction or decimal to percentage, always times 100. You want to change to percentage from fraction or decimal times 100. Remember that, times 100. You want percentage to fraction or decimal, divide by 100. Please write this down somewhere. Write this down somewhere. Okay, this is one of the key things you must know. So please do question number A, all of them, A, B, C, D. Or as they say in Indonesia, ABCD. Benar, Bu?
Yeah.
See, I'm practicing my bahasa Indonesia. The most confusion you will get is when they spell A, E, and I. You'll say E as I and I as E. Okay, so just be careful about that. Who's this? Heian, well done, Heian, for A, well done for B, well done for Che. D apa D? There. D is there. Okay, Ilhan, well done for A, well done for B. Yeah, Heian, correct, well done for D also. What about the rest? Only the boys are answering, the girls, we don't know where they go. Zahira, come back, don't be air stewardess. Sometimes air stewardess, they don't allow to do SQ. Okay, Rahana. Okay, yes. Your B and D are correct. Let me see. What else? You give B and D, then A and C? How come you give just B and D?
I give before.
You give before. For A, you have not. Okay, let's see. Hira. Where are you? Zahira, see? Okay, correct, Hira. But you didn't give A lah. Okay, B and D. Shafika, okay, good, well done. Okay, more or less you all know how to do. You see, once you know whether to times or divide, you know. Now, there's two things you need to know about percentage lah. Okay, what are the two things? Well done, Shafika. One is you must be able to identify 100% in problem sums. If you cannot identify 100%, that's it. Number two is this conversion. And there's a third one. Well done again, Shafika, for D. Okay, so all of these you times by 100. You get 27%, 10%, 934%. How come you get 937%? You are looking at a different question. And 650%. Rehana, this one is 934%. Okay, Ilhan, you look very pretty in the tudung. I also once upon a time, my aunt put me in a tudung, and Zahira, well done. And she took a photo of me when I was 10 years old. And they say I was a pretty girl. You all want to see that photo? You don't want to see? You'll be disgusted. Okay, now down here, wait. Okay, my wife wants to. I got to find the photo now. When they say off, it means times, right? And this one, you know, is fraction, right? What's the fraction? It's over 100 lah. This one, this percent is over 100. You see, then you can do already. All right. So I'm gonna ask you to do ABCD. Yeah. Okay. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and go. A, B, C, D, yeah. I myself have not done, so let me. Here, first one is correct. Who else? Ilhan, first one is correct. Second one is correct. Also, Ilhan, now you are in the lead, Ilhan. You are leading the rest. That's the power of Tudong. No? It's very powerful. Next one, okay, hold on. Wah, Hian, too big, Hian. They didn't ask you to put it into percentage. So many kilo like that. It's how many times kilo? You just need to put 140 over 100 times 9.2. Just put it into your calculator. That's all you need to do, mister. Aduh, no, some very little lah. Okay, first one is correct, Sophia. Welcome back, Sophia. For what we do not know where you went to. 22. Okay, I think I need to go through with some of you. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me just check your answers now. Your now C is correct, Hayan. Your B is not correct. What is this 7 to 16 ornaments? Okay. All right, we have to go through because we all have funny answers now. Very, very simple. Just check your answers, okay? You just need to put into your calculator now 35 over 100. Off means what? Off means times 80. What you get? You'll get the answer. What is it? You know this one is 28. Okay, I'll write down for you. Okay. This one 140 over 100. Why over 100? This percent what? Remember I told you percent is a fraction with the base of 100. Off is times 9.2. Don't put 92. This one you get, I think 12.68 is it or something, or 10 point. Let me see. You get 12.88. I forgot. 12.88. Okay. Next one, 22 over 0.8 over 100. Remember, percentage is a fraction with base of 100 times 45. And you will get, this one you'll get 10.26. Now this one you can change into 0.5. Half is 0.5, right? So take it as 12.5%. Okay. All this you must be able to convert, So if you're confused, you must tell me. Don't be shy. Okay, it's not as if people are going to know. I'm going to tell the rest, this person doesn't know. What do I do that for? Okay, my job is to help you gain confidence. So down here now, that's all you do like that. So what do you get? Let's see. Let's divide 8. Okay, divide 4. Yeah, okay, here you're correct. So you'll get 45 here. Who's confused? Who's confused? Anyone's confused? I've got to check. Look at you. Sophia, you're confused? Sophia, you're looking at something else, Sophia. Don't look at that. It's haram. Rahana, okay not, Rahana? Rahana, okay not? You're not nodding your head. Zahira, okay, Zahira. Zahira, okay not? Zahira, okay, Ilhan, are you okay? You seem to be having a headache. Shafika, come back, Shafika. Where are you going? Every time you're going elsewhere. What's her name? Your sister keep telling me you're doing other things. Okay, now we go one by one. Okay, first of all, if you have problems with problem sum, this is the time. You got to tell yourself you can conquer this. So you have to break it up sentence by sentence. Okay, we try. You try question number 6. many lah here. Careless lah here. Ian, you look at this here, this one. You see, no. See this one. Ian, you can score A and above, but you must read carefully. Don't be like the 10 or tortoise, ya Allah. The hand of tortoise. Let us see now. Yes, now it's correct. But remember, during exam, no one's going to tell you you're wrong, no? Let us see, we have answers over here. Ooh, Ilhan, too big, Ilhan. The total number of students is 1,100. You cannot have more than that. Let's say total number is 1,000. That's the way to check. If your answer is more than what is there, there's something is wrong. You know what I mean? Shafika also careless. Shafika did not read this one. Ika, you are in heaven, Ika. Do not leave. This one is leave. You do not leave, Ika. Don't be like that. Come down to earth. Asyik main di langit. Yeah. Okay, let's see. 1.5 cannot be lah, mister. How you going to have 1.5 per person? Tak boleh lah. You cannot half a person and you chop him up. 1.5, 1.57. Sophia, yes, congratulations, Sophia. So I am going to go through this in 1 minute time. I'm going to show you a comprehensive way, okay? H is what? Half. H. I do not know what H is. Okay, so now we write notes now, okay? We write notes. What notes? When you do problem sums, this is to help you, okay? Okay, Shafika, correct, well done. So what do you write? Well, we write first of all, what is 100%? So we ask Zahira, what is 100% down here? Is 75% 100%, 2 kilometers 100%, or 1,100 100%? Which one? Choose one, Zahira. Which one is 100%? We are talking about students.
1100.
Okay, so now you know this one. Now 1100 is 100%. So you write the relationship like this. I'm going to show you the formula method. Okay, you write it down. So this one now is very clear. You know 100%. Now they say 75% live within 2 kilometers. They do not want those living within 2 kilometers. So how many percent is it, Zahira? 75% live within 2 km. How many do not live within 2 km? How many percent? 75 live 2 km with the school. How many don't live near the school? How many percent?
25.
25. So actually what you want to find is 25. So I'm going to show you this formula method. This formula method, you memorize this method. Okay, I tried to teach you this last year. Some of you were studying with me, but you couldn't get it then. So now there, I'm going to show you, this is now what I mean. You write down this relationship. What you want to find is the one with the question mark. You write it here. Now, down here will always be 1. Always be 1. Now, the next two numbers is here and here. But how to write it? If this one you write is percentage, below must be percentage. So it cannot be 1,100. It must be 100%. This 100% is correlated to 1,100. Now, you put it inside your calculator, in times, you will get it already. You will get 275. This method is the most powerful method for percentage. I repeat, you write down the relationship down here. The one you want to find, you write it here. Down here will always be 1. So you are left with 2 numbers. The 2 numbers you got EC down here. Now, where to put what number? If this is percentage, you put percentage here. If this is money, you put the money here. If this is people, you put people here. Okay, you get it or not? Are we okay? Okay, those of you, some of you all will do, say, I don't understand this method. I don't want this method. I want to find 1%. You can find 1%. From here, you can find 1%. You divide by 100, you find 1%, can. And then after you get the answer, what's your 1%? 1% is 11, right? Then you find 25%. You times 25, can, no problem. You want to find 25, you can do that method. But I'm teaching you a more advanced method. A method that when you get confused, you can just use this formula. Okay, you can do this method, no problem. No problem. You get 275. You'll get the answer correct. But you try this out now. It's like you're playing soccer, you're playing certain games. No, I want to dribble straight line only. No, they teach you how to gentle or dribble a ball in a certain way. Look, that's skill, you know. Okay, up to you. I leave it to you. Yeah, Rahana bought already right now. You don't play soccer, Rahana. Why you don't play soccer? Okay, but it's good not to play soccer. Play something else. Okay, no. So I retract what I say. I don't mean it's good. I'm passing judgment. I cannot pass judgment. Okay, we try the next one. Crate is a container. So think. How do you tell that fewer? No, don't want this one. Don't want how many tell? No. We do not want this one. I change the question. A crate contains 240, 30% are green. Can you find the number of apples that are not green? Okay, find the number of apples not green. Okay, I change the thing. How many apples not green? Can you find, please? How many apples not green? Okay, you send your answers, please. How many apples are not green? Okay, here you got the answer. Very fast, boy. Congratulations, Ian. Okay, you try to do the method I show you. Ask yourself what is 100%. Ilhan, what is 100%, Ilhan? How many apples is 100%? Is the total. How many is the total apple?
What?
240. This is the total. Now you know 30% are green. How many percent not green? 100% total. 30% green. How many percent not green? Minus 100 minus 30. 70. So you want to find this. So you just put it down here. Again, I just show you the method again. You put number 1 down here. What you want to find? You want to find 70%. And all you need to do is just put these two numbers down here. But ask yourself, this one is percent? Yeah, percent. You put the percent below there here. So this you will get your answer as Ilhan says 86. 86. Is it 86? 68. 168, sorry, 168 apples. 168 apples that are not green. Maybe it's red apples, yellow apples, or black apples. Okay. Just like in Snow White, I think there was a black apple. Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay. Now, do you understand what they are saying now? Express the first quantity as a percentage of the second quantity. You must understand what is 100% here. Is 100% the first quantity or second quantity? So if they tell you express first quantity as percentage of second quantity, this one is 100%. Okay, so all the second quantity 100%, 100%, 100%. So they want to know if this is 100%, how many percent is this? How many percent is this? Can you check this? You understand what I'm saying? The question is saying, express the first quantity as a percentage of the second quantity. When you say of the second quantity, means the second quantity is 100%. So how many percent is this? I know it's getting a little bit blur. Okay, I write for you. This 100%. So 8 cm is how many percent? Okay. 1 hour is 100%. Be careful. In order to do this, you must change to the same unit. Don't make careless errors. Let me see whether the one go very fast. I might be making careless error. Ilhan, careless error. You must change it to all changes cm. 100% is how many cm? 100% is how many seconds? Then you can see First one, so sorry, cannot be, Mr. Hayen. How many cm is this, Hayen? How many cm is 4 meters? Oh yeah, Ilhan, you're correct for the first one, Ilhan. I'm so sorry, Ilhan. How do you get the first one? Congratulations. Ilhan, sorry. You send me the answer just now. Let me see, where is it? Oh, it's on here. Searching. Ilhan, you say this one is, for the first one, your answer is 2 is correct. It's 2. The second one you say is, second one is not. First one, let me see. Let me just check.
I haven't answered my second one.
Oh, okay. Your first one, 2 is correct. So your first one, you got to get 2%. How to get 2%? Zahira. Come try, Zahira. Sophia, what are you doing, Sophia? Don't close your eyes, Sophia. Wake up. Sophia, you're fasting Puasa 6 Puasa 7, 8, 9. Shafika. Oh, when I start calling, Shafika come back now. What is Shafika doing up there on the tree? Come here and try again, Hen. Where are you, Hen? Over. Zahira, you tired, Zahira? You need to sleep, Yeah, one thing, maths, you need to be alert lah. Later, I'll just show you a short video I found very funny. I think Ilhan has already seen that video. But I found it very funny. Every time I show it to the students or anyone else, I'll laugh. Let's see whether you will laugh. It's called the fastest gun. I showed you already.
Huh? For A, what answer?
The answer is 2%, as I said just now. That means you were not at your desk. I said answer 3 times. Rahana, can do it, Rahana. What are you doing, Rahana? I can see the screen of your spectacles. It's blue color. What is that? Oh my goodness. You're looking at me like a scary girl. I'll take a photo and show you. Okay. No, look at me again. Look, I'll show you. Do you want to see how scary you are? Not? Okay, I think you all I'll finish this one and then I'll show you the video. Hopefully you'll be able to. 32% is too high. Okay, so here we go. Now, first of all, you need to change them to the same units. If not, you're talking about different units. Let's say, imagine you're negotiating someone. Hey, I want 200. 10 is too small. You thought that they are offering you in dollars. They offer you in cents. 200 cents is only $2, no? I want 200. 10 cannot. They offer you 10 cents only. So we must make sure we are talking the same unit. So down here is 8. 8 what? cm. So these meters now, we also have to make it into cm lah. Times by 100. You get 400 cm. Now you can do, okay? You must change it to the same units first. 400 cm. Now then you can do. So they want you to express this as a fraction of this 8 over 400 times 100. This is one way of doing it. Okay. You divide, 8 divided by 4 get 2. Okay, 2%. Now I'm going to show you the other method I showed you. I can hear my voice. Is it me? Okay, down here now, you identify what is 100%. I already identified for you. This 400 cm is 100%. So 100% is 400 cm, right? Now, they want you to find what is what? 8 cm. You do not know 8 cm is how much. Now they want you to find. So what to do? Do this thing like that. Watch how I do. Put number 1 down here. What you want to find? You want to find this one. You want to find the 8 lah. What is this? This is cm. So bottom must put cm. 400 is the down here. See? Times by 100. Halas. It's the same thing as this one. Can you see? Same thing. 8 over 400 times 100. 8 over 400 times 100. You will get the same thing. So you get 2%. Please try the next one then. Please try the next one. You can do this. Change it to seconds. How many seconds is 1 hour? %32% is too big, Mr. Hayat. 30% is too big. Okay, what is the one whole 2, 3? Okay, let's see whether you're right. Maybe you could be correct. Well done, Hayan. Congratulations. But that is in percentage. So now we got to change it into seconds first. Okay, down here change to this one is seconds already, right? 60 seconds. Then this one, oh, 60 minutes. Okay, good. 1 hour 60 minutes. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So you must times by 60 again. You know how to change from seconds. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. 60 minutes is 60 times 60 3600. So this is 100%. Okay, this one is 100%. You want to find what? You want to find what is 60 seconds. Oh, so you can put it inside what? Okay, I'll rub this off first. Okay, so that you can see clearly. Yeah. Okay, then we take a short break after this. But a short break doesn't mean you leave. Short break is for you, just for those of you concentrating, you can have a short mental break. So down here now, you want to find 60. So you can use this method. Down here will always be what? You want to find what 60%, right? 60 in percent. Put 60 seconds here. If this is in seconds, make sure the other one is in seconds below. Like that. Times by 100. And you will get 1.66666666667%. So it's 1.6%, or 1 2/3%. All right, I will show you this thing just to wake you up. But Shafika is not here. Every time I explain, she will disappear. I don't know where she went. Okay, Irhan, you have seen this many times, I think, or a couple of times. So I'm now going to just show you this. This was like very shocking for me. I didn't know there's people like that who can do this, So I will show it to you down here. Hold on. Okay, here we go. This guy is very fast, okay. Sorry. You all have seen that? No, right? I gotta share the sound. Be ready, yeah. Watch what happened, okay. Zahira, this is the break. You can see what happened. You this break pun tak mau. Alamak, where is it? You all see what happened? You know how fast he is? You see, he sneezed. The guy sneezed. I can tembak the guy. Oh, you all are very serious. That means you're either stoned or you're not paying attention. Okay, but that guy is very fast. Even that makcik also pengsan. Okay. Yeah. You all know there's one block in Hougang, the whole block, everyone got to go for testing. In fact, one of my students in Pasir Ris, I'm supposed to see him tomorrow. The mother says, I've just gone for swab test. So I say, okay lah, I won't go to the house. So for us, I don't think we will be able to junket one another lah. Okay, we go to the next one now.
Teacher, can I take something?
Yeah, take. Hold on, I want to. Although this one comes like that. So now we do this one first. Okay. Increase 90 by 45%. That means original number is 90. Original number is 48. They want you to decrease by 20%. So what is 100%? This is 100% at first. This is 100% at first. They want you to increase by 45%. So what's the new number? They want you to decrease this by 20%. What's the new number? Can you try 1 AB, please? 1 AB. Hopefully by the end of this lesson, you got no problem with percentage lah. But if you're not listening, then I do not know what to say. You're already big already lah. I don't need to force you. Okay, Hein, your answer is correct, but that's the increase. What is the new number? You have to add that to the original number to get the new number. Okay, let us see. Yes, Ilhan, your answer is correct for the first one, but that is the increase. You need to add to the 90. Add your answer to the 90. You see, let's say this is your original amount of money in the bank. Now increase by 45%. Is your answer? You must add what increase to that thing. Yes. Okay, correct, Ilhan. So your 40.5, you got to add to this. What about the rest? What about the rest? Well done, Ilhan. What about she? She is decreased, no, Ilhan. Don't increase. Be carefully, yeah. Ali. Hey, and you same thing for the C. Hey, you got to decrease the number by your answer. Okay, well done, Mr. Ilhan. Congratulations. So for the rest who I do not know, if you are stunned, that means you are not concentrating, you guys. I do not know what to do. Okay, down here, you want to increase this by 45%. I can show you a very simple way, but I think you'll be confused. Now, take 45% times 100. Times 90, sorry. Oh, sorry. Yeah. See, even my wife is disappointed. So now you times this, what do you get? You get 40.5. This 40.5 is the increase. So you must plus it to the original number because they ask you to increase this by 45%. 45%. Yeah, you must plus it together lah. So you get 130.5. Okay. 130.5. Astaghfirullahaladzim. Hold on, now let me get my run out ink. Okay, now 130.5. Now, same thing now down here. You find what's 20%. 20% of 48. What you get? You will get 9.6. So you know it's 9.6, but you need to complete the work. You got to decrease it. Reduce this. 48 minus 9.6. You get 38.4. Okay. So I'm going to give you the rest for you to try. Please try it. You got to be clear on percentage, please. You need to learn all this because you are using. Can you try now? 2A, 2B, 2C. 2A, 2B, 2C. But I charge my laptop. Okay, just a moment. Let me just put this wire. Okay, try the 3 questions there. You can do it. All right, let's see here. Hey, no one sent an answer. Only here and any. Don't be like that, lah. Okay, let's see. Ian says, cannot be lah, Ian. That means you don't understand the question. They are not asking you to find what is 15% of 90. The question is saying 15% of a number. This number down here is 100%. They want you to find what is 100%. What is the number? They don't know. So 100%, we don't know. We don't know what's 100%. So you can write it down like that. Okay, 100%, we don't know. But what do we know? We know 15% of it only. So 15% of it is 90. So now, you use the method I show you. What method? This method now here. What do we write here? Always write 1. What you want to find? You want to find 100%. When you write percent on top, below must be percent. So this one 15 or 90? Oh, 15 is percent. So I write 15% below. Then put a 90 here. You will get, I think, let me see. Here say 600. Yeah, I think you'll get 600. Correct. 15, 30, 30. Yeah, 600. You will get 600. So the number is 600. Now, how to find out whether it's correct? Take 15% of. Hey, Hen, are you calling me? Hen, calling me? Miss video call. Okay. So now, how do you know whether your answer is okay? Accidentally, no problem. How do you know this is correct? You try to take out 15% of 600, you will get 91. Say 15% times 600, you will get 90 confirm. Can you see now? So this thing here is very important. This thing here very important. You must be able to write this down. So I want you to write this out. What is 100%? What is it you want to find? Then you can find a number. Can you do the same thing for this one? Number 2. Come on, number B. Come on. Zahira not paying attention already lah. Sophia out of focus. Sophia, try lah. What are you doing, Sophia? Shafika even worse. She turned off the video when I talk only. Then she come back. What are you doing, Shafika? Just because she passed the exam already, she champion lah. You got your result, right, Shafika? Not yet. Oh. You only got half an hour. Identify what is 100%. Oh, 2%. Okay, let's see. So which one is it, Ilhan? Is it the top one or bottom one? What is the number, top or bottom? Yeah, I'll calculate now.
What do you mean?
Your answer bottom is correct. It's not the top one. Maybe, oh yeah. Okay. So now how to do this? I do not know whether you all are listening, you guys and girls, especially the girls. The one that I taught in person, I'm scared of them now. Okay, now, what do? You must try to identify what is 100%. 100% is a number. So we do not know what the number is. That's what you want to find. So you don't know what 100% is. You don't know the number. So you write like that. I don't know. I don't know, put question mark. Then they say 280%, you know. I know what's 280%. Okay. And how much is it? It's 336. Hey, once you have this, you can solve, you can score the goal already. Very easy. See how to score the goal. Okay, I'll show you now. Very, very easy. This number will always be 1. Always. Okay, whatever percentage question you do, this will always be 1. What you want to find, you right here. What is it you want to find? You want to find 100% in number. So write the 100% here. Now you got 2 numbers left. One you got to put here, another one got to put. But which one? If this is percent, you see this percent, below must be percent. So put 280. And then down here 336. That's it. That's all. That's all. You get 1, 2, 0, and the number is 120. Okay, you try the next one now. Try the next one. Okay, jaga wire. Okay, can you see the next one? Okay, I'm gonna stop, and I clear the screen. Okay, all right. Okay, you try now. Now there's, you can do C and D lah. Hey, Ian, what about your answer, Ian? You disappeared. Zahira, you look very bored. Zahira, try lah, Zahira.
Ya, Zahira. Zahira, kenapa?
Okay, Ilhan, you got to make sure you do the pattern, then you can see whether it's right or wrong. Okay, the result of a number when increased by 40% is 2.1. Alamak, see, what is this question saying? Okay, let me see. They ask you to find the number. That means you don't know the number lah. If they ask you find the number, means you don't know the number. And always the number is always what? 100%. Okay, that's how we can find out. They are asking you to find the number. Number is 100%. They do not know what is the 100%. Okay, so they don't know. But be careful down here. When the number is increased by 40%, don't write 40 here. When it's increased by 40%, means it becomes 140. When it's 140%, it's 2.1. This is what you need to write. Now you do that method lah. That method I teach you very easy. You can get the answer. Okay, how to do? But you must get this 2 lines correct lah. These 2 lines must be correct first. See, they ask you to find a number, and the number must be 100%, right? And when we increase by 40%, become 140%. It's 2.1. So how to find? Put the 1 out here. Always put the 1 out here. What you want to find, you right here. You look at what you want to find. The one with question mark. This one you want to find. Now, what is the question mark? 100% here. Okay. If this, now you got these 2 numbers. Where to put? Do I put 1.4 here or 2.1 here? If the top is percent, you see the top is 100%, bottom must be percent also. So you put the percent here. And then you will get your answer. Sophia has too big an answer. Too big. Okay, you will get the answer to be 1.5. Okay, the answer is 1.5. Hian, how? Are you able to understand, Hian? Or you're confused? You're not there. Hian, are you eating waffle, Hian? Come back. Rahana, where are you, Rahana? Show me your face, Rahana. Okay, you look into the camera, later I'll take a photo. How come students all running away? This class, students always running away. I don't know why, man. Okay, come, you try D now. You all try D. You all can do this. You can do this. You can do this. So again, they ask you to find the number. The number is 100%. You find out. How do you find? Come on, we have 23 minutes more. Come on. Let's master this topic. You know, now it's June holidays, gonna be June holidays. This is the time for you to catch up and overtake your friends and overtake the others. Inshallah, you can overtake. Inshallah. Inshallah. Did anybody send me? Oh, one person did. Who is that guy? Sophia. Sophia, I think this one is very small. Takkan the number so small. 0.001 is very small number. Is 0.0015 of $1 is 1.5 cents. That's how small it is. You must do like this. You must write down. You must write down this relationship lah. If you don't write down this one, difficult for you to understand. So you are supposed to find the number. Means the number is 100%. Means you don't know 100%. 100% you don't know. So you write down 100% question mark. But what do you know? You say the number when decreased by 25. The number is 100%, right? When decreased by 25 means it's 75%. 100 minus 25 is 75. When it's 75%, the number is equal to 195. So what is the number? Now you put it like that and try to do it. Come on. Someone give me the answer. Come on. Try. Hayan, where are you, Hayan? Sophia can do not, Sophia? Sophia, come on, Sophia. Sophia is looking at something else. What is she looking at? Aduh, you all are bored ke apa? Nanti I must do a song and dance now. I'll do a song and dance. Only Shafika is doing it. I hope Shafika, you doing the question, Shafika? No, I'm doing my homework. Hey, do this question, not homework. Here and 2 C, yes, correct, 1.5. What about D here? Come on, you already know down here. Let's see. Sophia, what very big now, Sophia. There's not very small or very okay. Very simple. What you want to find, Sophia? You want to find 100%. How do you know you want to find 100%? Because you look down here, you write, all right, 100% we don't know. You want to find what you don't know. So put the 100% here. And this one always become 1. Now you got another 2 more numbers to put. You either put 75 here or 195. Which one do you put? Look at the top number. If the top number you put is number, then you put this one. If top number you put is percentage, put this one. So it's percentage, you put this one. Then the other number, put it here. And you times, and then you get. What do you get? What do you get? Come on, boys and girls. Making me sleepy lah, this class. Maybe because you are entering teenagehood now. Okay, once you divide, you get 140. Cannot be, man. Okay, this one you divide by 25, you get 4. This one divide by 25, you get 3. 195 divided by 23. Can divide by 3, right? Divide by 3, you get 1. Divide by 3, you get 65, I think. 65 times 4, I think it's 260. That's the answer. Okay, we will go through the next one. don't understand. Okay, very good. This one you know very clearly. What is 100% and what do they want you to find? Come on, you can do this. You can do this. You can do this, huh? Sekejap, huh? Okay, let us see. Okay, problem sum is what you need to solve in secondary school. Next time your question might be this short or slightly longer. One whole page is your answer. And Sec 3 you'll be doing that. One whole page, or Sec 2 even. So let us see. Anyone got the answer? You must identify what is 100%. Otherwise, you cannot do. Okay, if you read carefully, you'll be able to find what is 100%. Clues are there. Remember, this is a problem sum, there will be clues. So what's a clue? Original length. Original, 100%. The original length is, so you can write the first relationship. 100% is what? Is 8 cm. And then what? And then it goes up to 10.5. You good? Did they ask you to find 10.5? No. They say they want you to know what's the increase. What's the increase? You minus, you must minus 8 because at first the spring, spring you can stretch, right? At first it's 8 cm, then become 10.5. So what's the difference? 2.5 cm. Oh, now they want to find what is this in percent. Oh, so I put 2.5 on here, cm. And then I put a question mark here. They want you to find what is it. Can you try? I've already done the first part for you. You can do the second part. Okay, those of you still blur, I'm going to do for you. The one with the question mark is what you need to find. So put 2.5 here. That's the percent. That's the increase. Down here is always 1, always 1, always 1. Then you need to fill up with two of these numbers. What number to be here? Look at what number on top. If on top percentage, bottom must be percentage. If on top is cm, bottom is cm. On top is 2.5 cm lah. So below must be 8 cm lah. And 8 cm is correlated to 100%. You do that, then you can get the answer, which is, let's see, 31.25%. 31.25%. 31.25%. But there's a point on here, 31. Okay, we're moving to the next one. I think we have time for only 2-3 questions there. Okay, try this now. Come, write the relationship again. What is 100%? How many percent you want to find? Whatever it is. Okay, 2 minutes to solve this. 2 minutes to solve this. Anyone got the answer or not? I think if you don't have, that means everyone is asleep now. Then if you're asleep, I'm going to sing you a lullaby. Somebody has given me an answer. Okay, what is the answer? Let me read the answer. Teacher, what time does it finish? I don't know. Okay, Sophia has given an answer. Ilhan has given another answer. Well done. Let us see whether they're correct. What about the rest? What about the rest? What about Shafika? Shafika, I can see you scribbling. What are you doing? Can do or not? Ika cannot. Anyone call you Ika not? You're drawing, Allahu Akbar. Okay, Shafika, come. You tell me now. What is 100% here, Shafika? Is it 740? Is it 680? Which one is 100%?
740.
So we write. First step, we do this. We write it down. And then after that, be careful because they may not give you directly. If they give you direct, and normally that is primary levels. Sometimes they give you direct, sometimes they give you chance. Now the next one is the price from 740, it went down to 680. There is a decrease. What is the decrease? How many dollars is the decrease, Shavika? From 740, it becomes 680. How many dollars is the decrease? How many? From 7, how many? 60, yes. So they are asking you now, what's a percentage decrease? Percentage decrease means what? You find what's the decrease in dollars, what is it? So now you find out just that, like that. Very simple. Once you know how to do this, you can solve all percentage questions if you want to. But if you are, I don't know, I can see Sophia, you put the camera right, the eyebrow, I do not know what is below the eye. Sophia, what are you doing, Sophia? Are you doing your work, Sophia? You have missed a few lessons. Come, try. Come on. You already got this one, 100% is 740. You want to find what is this? Use the method I show you. It's very simple. Come on. This is the method you need to do. Remember, if you pass maths, what are you doing? You are helping the Muslim community, the Malay Muslim community. Why? Because the Malay Muslim community, our community, we have the greatest number of failures. The moment you pass your maths, you are solving a problem already. Yeah, and also it means that your brain power is stronger. Not only is the Malay language being lost, I'll tell you in a moment now what's happening. Why is it I have a meeting tonight? Because not only is maths we are weak at, now Malays cannot even speak Malay. Do you know that? So many Malays cannot speak Malay, Okay, maybe you all can speak Malay lah. But I can see through your look, you're not listening to what I say, whether I talk about maths or talk about Malay. Let's talk about aliens. Also, no one also listening. Okay, never mind. Sophia, down here, what we want to find? We want to find $60 in percentage. So you write what you find here, 60. And down here, what you write? Always write 1. Always write 1. And what do you do? Now you only got 2 more numbers. What? This number and this number. Where to put it? Very simple. Look at the top number. If the top number is dollar, bottom number must be dollars or so. You just feel it like that. That's all you need to do. Cancel the zero. And how much do you get? You can use your calculator. You don't even need to do the working I show you. Why? Because you are allowed to use a calculator. So 60 divided by 740 times by 100, you get 8.1%. That is the 8.1%. That is the percentage decrease. Okay, we do the next one. I don't know whether you guys understand or not. I feel very bad. Raihana, where are you, Raihana? You have been missing for 10 minutes. Hey, I promise you whatever I told you last time. Okay, end of the year. Now I'm going to be patient with you guys lah. Patient, I'll smile. End of the year, really, some of you are not going to join me anymore. That time you beg me, cry, whatever, I do not care. Because I will give it to other students. The numbers are increasing. People want to come in. I'm rejecting them. I'm sorry, I cannot come because the class is full. Now I will look at your attitude. Maybe at Sec 1, I do not know. Maybe you got some independence or you feel you are yaya papaya lah. So you know what's yaya papaya? You think that you have the whole world is yours. So no need to listen lah to this man. Up to you. No need to listen, man. Don't need to come for class. Why waste your parents' money? Waste your time as well. In fact, the only reason why you're coming for class, I think, because you are forced to. So I will have to talk to your parents. I will give them some update to tell them, please do not force your child. Your child can use the time more effectively. How do I know the child is not focusing? Because you see, they're like that, just looking at the camera. I cannot see the eye. Why is it they put camera to not show me the eye? Because the eye is looking somewhere else. Camera turn off. Suddenly disappear, come back. Just staring like that. Something is wrong lah. That means they must have something, some other screen there. And just now I saw someone's specs are blue in color. I said, how come the spectacle blue? Reflection lah, reflection. So leave it to you. You are adults already. You are adults. Yeah, I'm not an adult. I'm still a teenager. Well, in the olden days, at this age, you can get married and have children, boys and girls. Yes. So Islamic, the thing, you also adults. You're balil already. Some you say, not a balil. Yeah, most of you are balil lah. Balil, balil. So let us see. Okay, you try. If I don't get any answer, this is your homework then. If you don't pass any answer. Maybe I might do the cutting down for mid-year lah. Maybe better lah. Smaller number better, I think. Actually, smaller or bigger doesn't matter. What matters is the students paying attention, doing work. So far, primary 4, 5, 6 are super lah. All are doing work like ants. Even Sec 2 also super. Only Sec 1. So I want to know why. Why is it happening at Sec 1? Huh? What did I do wrong? Maybe I did something wrong. They say, yeah, you're talking too much, that's why. Oh. Well, I'm talking also a lot in other classes. So what is it? Huh? Maybe if you all know, tell me lah. Huh? Tell me how can I improve the performance in Sec 1? There must be a reason. And the problem is why I need to take action, because the new student coming get influenced, you know. Like here, now when first came in, it wasn't like that. Now it's here also kena influence. So normally it's Canberra now, will be half head also. I do not know. If I show you half head, I do not know how you all feel. Okay, we got 1 more minute. No one is passing the answer. I tell you what, you all do this as homework lah. Okay, you do this as homework. You take down this question. You do this as homework lah.
Didn't I send answer?
Sorry. What you say?
Didn't I send you my answer?
You send me your answer. Only one person sent answer. Okay, Ilhan sent answer. Okay, let us see. For Ilhan's sake, maybe I'll go through now. But let's see how many. But you see, they ask you how many sheets of paper. You cannot have point something. It must be 1 sheet, 2 sheets, 3 sheets. It cannot be 9.45. It cannot be that amount. Okay, so something is wrong. Just by looking at answer, I have not calculated. I know the answer is wrong. Okay, 7 o'clock now. I hope you will attempt this question. If not, we will retry. We will do again the question. But I may decide to filter out lah, students. Even though I may have taught you for 2 years, whatever, I may say goodbye to you. You do not blame me, okay? You must blame yourself, because you know what you're doing. Okay? Why is it am I doing this? Because I want to make sure that the class is full of students who want to learn. The one don't want to learn, don't learn lah. Don't come. Okay? I'm serious. I'm telling you seriously. Okay? Don't be like one girl. There's one particular girl I was teaching. I tell her nicely, until I shouted at her over the dinner, she become frightened. I don't need to shout at you. Okay? I've shouted at a student. You can ask Ryan. Rayhana, you can ask Ryan. I do not know whether Shafi was there or Inshira was there, or they were not there. So they have never seen me shout. Okay. All right. Assalamualaikum. All the best. But I think I'll start filtering out. I'll send a message to your parents. Your parents may ask you, are you concentrating or not? You be honest with them lah. Okay? Be honest to your parents. Assalamualaikum. Goodbye.